Hello 9A. So today I'm going to be introducing you to a website or an app called Quizlet. Yes, Quizlet. So this is just an introductory video that you can watch over and over to just get the hang of it, all right? So for class, I will be posting a link in the WhatsApp group. And as usual, you get a link in the group, you'll click on the link, right? Once you click on the link, it's going to take you to this page that I'm on right now. And you see it says 9A Social Studies. All right, so we're starting a new topic, development and use of resources. And even this morning on Smile Jamaica, there was this big boo-hoo about, what do you call it? Special minerals or something found in the Jamaican red mud. And they mentioned bauxite and they talk about different things that we didn't even know we have, and even gold. And these are resources. So we're going to be talking about the development and use of resources. So in order to do that, we need to learn the terms that are going to be used from time to time in dealing with this lesson. And so when we learn the terms, we will better know how to interact with the information and to use the information. All right, so here goes. So it will take you to this site, and what you will find on this site is the terms and concepts associated with the topic. So there are 12 terms. At class time, I would have listed the 12 terms in the group, in the WhatsApp group. And if you click on the arrow here, it will go through the different terms that are there. All right, economic development, gross national product, and these are the things that we are going to be learning about. These are the 12 terms. Now, what will you do with this? Using these 12 terms, you are able to use any of these options on this side. Well, except for the live. You won't use the live now. We can do that when we're meeting face to face again and have some real on-time interactive competition. All right, but flashcards, if you click on flashcards, this is what happens. You get the word, and by clicking on the card, you will see the meaning of the word and a picture associated with the word. Isn't that great? All right, and so you read the definition and you learn it and you write it in your book. No, you have the option of having it read it
These
to you.
are sources of wealth in a country. Resources
All right. You can also type or whatever and save, make a little note. And back from flashcards, so that's one way. You go through all the terms and you read them, write them down, read them. So for the flashcards, and you can pick which one you want to go to at what point, and you go to the flashcard. Now learn, this is where you will go to learn the terms. So using resources in ways that allow them to be still available in the future. What is this? And is it a gross domestic product? Is it climate change, economic, or is it sustainable development? Right? So you will learn and you will select, because you would have gone through the list already. You are familiar with the meaning, so you would have select which term goes with that meaning on the screen. And you continue and you go through and it will tell you which ones you're familiar with, which ones you know well, and so on, and you continue to learn. Now, there's also the option, and guys, this is so exciting, and this is something you can do even when class is finished. Like a little study thing in the end of the day, or in preparation for next class, and you go in and you can write, and you can choose to spell where they will call the word and you spell it. And there's even a test that you can do while studying, and I encourage you to use all of these. There are games, 2 games, matching game, like cards in Jamaica, my time, my era, they call it turn up and turn down, generational gap. So you might call it different things these days. And you try to pick the card that they're all face on, and the one that matches the meaning, and find the meaning and stuff. And there's this other game called Gravity. This is a nice little one where you will have to play to save the planet from invasion or something like that by asteroids, by matching the words with their meaning. So it's really an exciting and interactive way to start to learn the terms, and I'm going to be using it more often. So guys, this is Quizlet, and this is how you will use it. And whenever you complete the words and the test, I will be able to see what you have done, or I can ask you to screenshot it so I can see the progress you have made. All right, so guys, take care. well, no take care because we're still having class. But this is how you use Quizlet. Now I will give you a chance to go to Quizlet by posting the link and have you interact with it and give me a feedback as to how it's working for you.